Travel experience in Da Nang, Vietnam.
Last summer, I had a wonderful trip to Da Nang, a beautiful coastal city in central Vietnam. It was one of the best travel experiences I've ever had. Da Nang is not only famous for its beaches, but also for its rich history. During the Vietnam War, Da Nang was an important military base, and today visitors can still see some war memorials and museums. The city is also close to two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Hoi An Ancient Town, and My Sun Sanctuary, where travelers can explore traditional architecture and the ancient Champa civilization. Culturally, Da Nang is known for its friendly and open people. The city hosts many festivals throughout the year, including the Da Nang International Fireworks Festival, which attracts visitors from all over the world. Geographically, Da Nang is located on the central coast of Vietnam, between the East Sea and the Truong Son mountain range. This unique location gives the city both long sandy beaches and stunning mountains. The Marble Mountains and Sun Tra Peninsula are popular spots for hiking and sightseeing. The climate in Da Nang is tropical. It has two main seasons: the dry season from January to August, with plenty of sunshine, and the rainy season from September to December, with heavy rains and occasional typhoons. The best time to visit is usually from March to August, when the weather is warm and perfect for the beach. I spend a lot of time at Mike Beach, swimming and watching the sunrise in the early morning. The fresh air and peaceful waves made me feel relaxed and happy. One of the highlights of my trip was visiting the Golden Bridge on Bana Hill. The bridge is held by two giant stone hands, and the view from the top was amazing. It felt like walking in the sky. I also explored the Marble Mountains, where I climbed to see caves, temples, and panoramic views of the city. At night, I enjoyed walking along the Han River and watching the Dragon Bridge breathe fire and water. The food in Da Nang was delicious, especially mi quang, a local noodle dish, and fresh seafood from the beach restaurants. Overall, Da Nang is a perfect destination that combines history, culture, nature, and modern life. I will never forget the friendly people, the beautiful landscapes, and the special memories I made there.
Vocabulary list: travel in Da Nang.